Maintaining a healthy hydroponic environment means battling powdery mildew, a constant threat in high humidity setups. While botanical extracts like cinnamon and rosemary offer powerful natural fungicidal properties, creating professional-grade solutions requires precision. Upgrading to the right extraction equipment can simplify your process and improve performance. Welcome back to Hydroponics Town. In this video, we're exploring why the extraction equipment is a smart investment for hydroponic growers. First, the power of professional extraction. This high-quality extraction equipment allows you to produce these concentrated essential oils safely and efficiently. By utilizing a precise combination of vacuum pressure and gentle heat, this equipment processes plant material without degrading the active compounds. This ensures your botanical concentrates remain potent and effective for garden care and pest control. Then, advanced features and cleanliness. Modern professional units are often equipped with features like Teflon-coated crucibles, ensuring a clean, non-stick process throughout every cycle. One of the primary advantages of using this level of equipment is the closed-loop system. This fully enclosed design effectively minimizes unwanted odors in your workspace, making the extraction process discreet and manageable. Finally, cost-effectiveness and sustainability. Beyond the quality of the output, professional extraction equipment is a smart long-term investment. These systems are designed for efficiency and resource recovery, making them a sustainable and cost-effective way to maintain a healthy garden environment. If you're ready to upgrade your setup, visit hydroponicstown.com for trusted hydroponic solutions and quality equipment. Follow us on social media for more growing tips, like this video, and subscribe for smarter hydroponic success. Thanks for watching.